One thing to do is like what the British have done and significantly raise taxes on bankers' bonuses. The only problem is if that actually works to incentivize the banks to knock the bonuses down, that money doesn't go back to the taxpayer. That money goes to the shareholders. Bank shareholders don't seem to me to have any more moral right to that money than the managers did. So to me, if you're going to do anything in that realm, it seems to make more sense to have some sort of extra fee to recover what the taxpayers put out, which is probably my favorite solution, or do a kind of windfall profits tax. But a windfall profits tax is very hard to figure out how to do in a fair way, because figuring out what's a windfall and what isn't and how much came from the government is hard. But the act that set up the TARP in the first place stated that the government should recoup any losses through some long-term form of tax or fee. It's a reasonable thing to do. You just want to do it over a long term. Also, the numbers that should be collected aren't nearly as big as people have in their minds. The government didn't go write $700 billion worth of checks and then have it all burned. The government, in fact, on behalf of the taxpayers, will lose far less than that. So it's a manageable amount if you try to recover it from the banking industry over a period of some years.